equipped with 300 ICU beds with oxygen supply, as well as several other facilities. And we're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in the Shiv Sena editorial. Samna, the parties once again lashed out at the Modi government. Samna's editor Sanjay Raut, who is a Shiv Sena MP, has targeted the Modi government, saying that India's border areas are now conflict zones and that all our neighbors are siding with China. He further added the Chinese aggression in India is a failure of government's foreign policy. Now, the Samna has also stated that when US President Donald Trump will lose the upcoming elections, Modi will then be isolated globally. Mustafa is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, just get us more details of exactly what the Shiv Sena has said in its mouthpiece, Samna, once again lashing out to the Modi government over what's happened in the line of actual control.
Well, Akshata, it's once again a scathing attack by the Shiv Sena, by Sanjay Raut on directly Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What they have said is that China is attacking and taking a policy of aggression. This is the first time since 1975 that India has lost soldiers in a confrontation with the Chinese army. They are asking the questions, what will India do to avenge the killing of these soldiers, whether surgical strikes are only reserved for Pakistan. Why isn't the PM giving a call to ban Chinese products? So there are a lot of scathing attacks. They went on to say that because of increasing friendliness towards United States, we have lost a neutral country like China, and now other neighboring countries like Nepal are also siding with China and speaking in their tone against India. So these geopolitical issues which have been cited at Samna's editorial are taking attack on the government and their foreign policy, and also saying that this has left India, this has left Prime Minister Narendra Modi isolated in our neighborhood, specifically in the subcontinent region. Nobody is siding with India. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, thank you for joining us with those details. Details that you need to know about the highly anticipated annular solar eclipse, which will be visible in some parts of India, particularly in North India. We're breaking down all the information that you need to know. This is the decade's first solar eclipse, popularly of course known as the Ring of Fire. Now, what exactly happens in these eclipses? It's an annular eclipse where the moon is so far from the earth that its relative size fails to cover the sun completely, and that's what creates that ring of fire in the sky. It will be visible only in few places of North India, while the rest of the country will observe this event partially. Bhuj will be the first Indian town to witness the start of the eclipse. In fact, it was slotted at 9:58 a.m. So the people of Bhuj may already be able to see the beginning of the eclipse. It will end 4 hours later, and in fact, the eclipse will last be seen in Assam's Dibrugarh at 2:29 in the afternoon. People living in Suratgarh in Rajasthan, Sirsa and Kurukshetra in Haryana, Dehradun, Chamoli and Joshima in Uttarakhand, they'll be able to see the sun as a ring of fire. This particular eclipse also coincides with the longest day of the year, also known as summer solstice. The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam authorities have decided to prohibit darshan in the temple for pilgrims in view of the solar eclipse. Other temples in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand have also been shut. Ashutosh is joining us live from Delhi this morning. Ashutosh, before I come across to you, let's in fact listen in to some reactions and then we'll take this across for ground reports.
Doesn't cover it fully, but in outer ring of the sun will remain. And so that will be a beautiful sight to see. It will be different from a total solar eclipse. Of course, total solar eclipse is even more beautiful. But here you will see that ring of fire around the sun. But you cannot look at the sun directly. You cannot look at the sun directly. Anytime. Not just during the eclipse. It's always harmful.
An annular solar eclipse happens when moon is between the sun and the earth. Not only that, the moon in its elliptic orbit around the earth is at its farthest point from the earth in its orbit. As a result, the size of the moon is not enough to cover up the whole sun's disk, and we get to see a